Hello and welcome to a phrasal verb lesson. Today we're going to learn the many uses of the phrasal verb put up. Are you ready? Come on! The first meaning and use of the phrasal verb put up means to hang or install decorations. For example, yesterday Bill put up the Christmas tree. Hey, did you put up your Christmas tree yet? Hmm? First definition or use of put up: to hang or install decorations. Hey, put up that picture over there. Got it? Well, you put up some decorations. Now, put up can be used to mean to provide someone with a place to stay. Huh? Yeah. For example, the airline put up the family at the hotel when their flight was canceled. My mom put me up when I needed a place to stay. Oh, put up to provide someone with a place to stay. Okay, that's meaning number two. Hmm. Have you ever had to put up someone at your house? Next meaning and use: put up, meaning to tolerate or endure something. Whew, for example, Jill can't put up with Bill snoring. I can't put up with people who chew with their mouth open. I can't put up with it. What do you have trouble putting up with? Hmm? Put up, to tolerate or endure something. Okay, put up, to tolerate or to endure, but there's another meaning. Oh, what? Yes, to offer something for sale or auction. No way. For example, they put up their house for sale today. Hey, I'm going to put up the car for sale if you don't start pitching in for insurance. Got it? Put up, to offer something for sale or auction. Here's a pretty good use of the phrasal verb put up. How about to raise something, like a hand? Put up your hand if you want the teacher to call on you. She put up her hand to answer the question. Do you like to put up your hand to be recognized? Hmm? Put up, to raise something. Eek, I'm going to put up my hands. If you looked at that last slide, put up can also mean to raise a structure. Raise a structure. Yeah. Bill put up a shed in his backyard. He built it. He raised the shed. You see that on movies where they say the Amish are going to put up a barn in one day. They can put up a barn in one day. Yeah, amazing. Put up, to raise a structure. Have you ever put up something in your backyard? Hmm. Why does English have 6 different uses for this one phrasal verb that contains 2 small words? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence. I hope. Bill couldn't put up with the noise as the crew was putting up the shed, so he put up a fuss and had to put it up himself. What? Come on, English. Can you make a sentence with put up? You can. Leave it in the comments. Peace, friends. Oh, wait, don't go. Do you have a phrasal verb or grammar question? You do? Okay, well, leave that in the comments too. Now I'm going to say, peace, friends.